Today we are going to be comparing two of the new Marc Jacobs shoulder bags, the Glam Shot 17 and the J Marc. Starting with the newer version in the family, the Glam Shot, which has many similarities to the iconic Snapshot. As you can see, it's a really wide boxy style with an adjustable chain strap which you can thread through, unlike the Snapshot where it has a clip-on strap. This bag really lives up to its name. The soft pebbled leather with the shiny gold hardware makes it such a good going out bag. Then we picked out the Marc Jacobs J Marc because again it's that everyday bag. Super soft leather in cream and black two-tone style with the Marc Jacobs logo on the back this time. And this one comes with a chain strap as well as a crossbody, so you can wear it over your shoulder with a bit more of a glamorous style or like a perfect everyday bag. This bag is also thinner in size and has a clasp instead of zips, which I absolutely love because when you open it, it turns into a J. Then just so it's super clear, there is a Glam Shot in a smaller size. This is the Glam Shot Terry bag in pink, so it's that gorgeous towelly fabric. It's got a chain strap, but this one has an envelope fastening that flaps over. Just showing you a size comparison, so as you can see it is smaller all over. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you can get notified when we post our next video.